Data science and its applications are vast and growing in numerous sectors. Here are some of the most impactful applications of data science. In healthcare, data science is playing a crucial role in predictive analytics for disease prevention, patient diagnosis, and treatment outcomes. Technologies like wearable devices collect patient data, which is then analyzed to predict health issues and improve personalized medicine. The financial industry uses data science for risk management, fraud detection, credit scoring, and investment strategies. Retail industries apply data analysis to understand customer preferences and optimize stock. By analyzing purchasing data, companies can predict which products will be in demand and manage inventory accordingly. Personalized recommendations based on previous purchases are another crucial application. Data science is influential in predictive maintenance, quality control, and optimization of the manufacturing process. Real-time monitoring of machinery allows for forecasting equipment failures before they happen, leading to reduced downtime and maintenance costs. With the ability to analyze consumer data and preferences, businesses can tailor their advertising strategies to target specific audiences. Data science helps in customer segmentation and deploying personalized marketing campaigns. In education, data science helps in improving student outcomes by analyzing learning patterns. Schools and universities can use data to adapt curricula and teaching methods based on the quantifiable effectiveness of different approaches. Data science assists in route optimization, demand forecasting, and improving commuter services. GPS data and traffic patterns are analyzed to make transportation systems more efficient and reduce delays. The logistics industry benefits greatly from data science through enhanced route planning, inventory management, and demand forecasting, enabling efficient supply chain operations. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram use data science to target users with personalized content and advertisements. Sentiment analysis on social media data also provides valuable insights into customer preferences and trends. The energy sector uses data science to improve grid management and predict equipment failures. It also aids in analyzing consumption patterns and optimizing resource distribution. Professional sports teams utilize data analytics for performance tracking, injury prevention, and designing winning strategies. Detailed analysis helps in player selection and game preparation. Environmental conservation. Data science is applied in studying climate patterns, monitoring wildlife populations, and predicting natural disasters. This helps in crafting better conservation strategies and preparing for environmental changes. These applications showcase how data science is integral in driving innovation and efficiency across various sectors. Its ability to generate valuable insights from data is revolutionizing how industries operate and make decisions.